Rere arutwo a mwaka wa mbere thini wa university matanyitwo kwambiriria kuingira thukuru kiumia giukite. Bunge ni tumurite ciuria cikonie mbeca cia fithi kuona ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university na ruhonge rwa ngombo cia mathomo ma university HELB itire irarekereria kigina kuri arutwo rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university uria urambiriria kurutithio wira mwaka uyu.
Will you accept students to be put into university whether they pay or not, awaiting the decision from HELB and scholarship?
Mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo, Minister wa githomo EZEKIEL MACHAGU ni atariria ati mihang'o ya arutwo guikia ihoya ria kwamukira uteithio wa scholarship na ngombo cia HELB ikoretwo igikururia gukinyiria riu ari o gicunje kia 30% kia arutwo othe aria maraingira university na TVET maikiti ihoya.
The system, as we get thousands applying, I think there is a kind of jam such that we apply, but the system is not able to absorb.
Machagu oho akiheana mwerekera kuri arugamiriri a university kwamukira arutwo othe ona aria matari na mbeca cia mathomo. Riri mihang'o ya guthurima aria maikiti ihoya ria kwamukira uteithio wa kimbeca itanyitwo kurekerera ica ikuhi.
Our students will be allowed, as we are working on this, and I think we have made it clear to our public universities, and they will be admitted while we are processing disbursement of funds to all our public universities.
HELB yaheanite ginyagia tariki 7 gutiriha mihang'o ino. Riu abunge makienda arutwo kuongererwo ihinda.
Are you willing as the Ministry of Education to provide support desks in the universities to enable those students to be assisted in the application of scholarships or bursaries?
They assure us that after 7th September, the system will still be open for those who are not able to apply to continue applying.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university Geoffrey Monare, gutire murutwo ukuhingiririo kuona thirikari ni yaigite keheri kigina kia arutwo othe aria magairwo mieke thini wa university na TVET ni ruhonge rwa KUPS.
We shall not cut off any student. We shall allow all the students who are eligible to apply so that we can be able to support them. Will the students apply again? All the students are required to apply every year. This is very important because you find students who pass away, there are students who change status, join other courses, so it's important for us to know if these students are still in the university, and most important, has their status changed while they're in the university.
Geikaro giki oho ni gitumurire ciuria ikoni arutwo matanyihire 1900 aria mari na rungu rwa ukuru wa miaka 18 na uria megukorwo makiamukira ngombo kuma kuri HELB kuona matire na ifade cia bururi.
We are trying to see whether we can be able to get the money for these students as they procure their identity cards in order now to be able to be of age to enter into the contractual agreement as required.
Haduini Hakameme TV, Kitagogena, Wawaduro.